Hello, everybody. This is episode 2 of Welcome to Nature with Keith Surplus. Okay, we are at Cruz Lake in the middle of nowhere looking for beasts. Big, scary monsters. Now I heard that in this area there's UFO sightings. I heard there's UFOs that the aliens take the form of humans wearing clown costumes with big red afros. Pretty scary stuff, huh? Well, I hope we don't run into that today. I'm gonna look for animals and gorillas and alligators. All right, let's go. Let's see what we can find here. Seriously, I don't want anyone in a clown costume and a big red afro coming out to me. Oh. Tree. I'm okay. I'm okay. Tribal ruin. What is this? The alien landing site. Or Bigfoot. Bigfoot's house. Who wouldn't be able to fit in that tree? Shh. Do you hear that? Shh. Calm, submissive. Who that? Who there? I got a stick, so back off, sister. Human. If you're mean, tell me what's wrong. Chiquitita, tell me what's wrong. I have never seen such sorrow. Mr. Cameraman, see something. Birdhouse. Cheep, cheep. Mr. Cheep, cheep. Are you in there? Come out. You know you want to come out and say hi to me. Come on. Come on out of the birdhouse and say hi to Mr. Cameraman. If you change your mind, I'm the first in line. Honey, I'm still free. Take a chance on me. If you need me, let me know. Gonna be around. If you got no place to go. If you're feeling, well, down. Oh, there's no monsters or aliens or I'm okay, folks. I'm okay. Maybe it's an alien fart and it's seeping into your system and you're just coughing and hacking your blood. Oh no. Ugh. I want to find something good. A good story here. Tell you what, the only scary thing I saw around here was last night. I saw some guy. He was tiny. He had a big, like, Rastafarian Jamaican red cap on. It was like just flopping about. He had a lantern. He's like, he was out of it. What's over there? I'm like, that's my campsite. He's like, oh. And he turns himself around. You're looking for wood, fire. And then he sets his lantern down by the outhouse. And he just walks away in the middle of like this clearing and just like aimlessly wanders around in the middle of the clearing. That was freaky. Maybe he was part of that alien clan. Mr. Cameraman, you need to take off your shoes to scare Bigfoot away, because I know you got tiny feet. Me? Oh, I'm screwed. The shoes. Here, birdies. Cheep, cheep. Is it cheep, cheep? Oh my god. I don't know what to say. My hat just farted. We're friends. Oh goodness. There's nothing worse than snakes, Bigfoot, aliens, Rastafarians. There's nothing worse than a messed up hat. I can't stand that. No. My precious hat. There we go. Yeah. This old man named Smokey taught me how to do that. Alright, let's go. Anybody out there? Know you're listening. Barbed wire and electric fence. This campsite is freaking me out. Okay, when I was a little boy, my parents taught me some good advice. Don't whiz on the electric fence. Calm, submissive. Very quiet, so that animals can come out. Shh. Siéntate. Siéntate. It's just birds so far. Fuku. Oh, well, now we have some downtime. Flyer. See, look at this. my new outfit. I don't have the black vest anymore. I got this nice, like, safari fishing, hunting, traveling, hiking vest. Nice black sneakers. There's like springs in it or something. It's nice and soft. My sunglasses. I was about to say I wear my sunglasses at night, but it's not nighttime, so that wouldn't have made any sense. Oh, and then I got my hat. Oh, I want something to like at least jump out at me. This is seriously pissing me off. My nature show is gonna bomb because there's no animals that we can find. Oh, I need to go back to my campsite and just open a nice bottle of booze. See, me personally, I'm not much of a drinker, but when I drink, I feel good. Oh, clearing. There's a clearing. The Publishers Clearinghouse. This probably shouldn't have my back turned to camera too much. Alright, let's see if we can find anything. Maybe I should dress up like a bear to lure other bears. Oh no, then again I'll probably attract those what's him call it, those fur camps, those furry people. I'm not in the mood to encounter them. Something. Why? I think it's more scared of me than I am scared of it. Alright, what we'll do is usually woods are a lot scarier at night, and animals think that people are asleep, so the animals come out more. So I think we should do another episode of Welcome to Nature when it's nighttime. But for the time being, I should just maybe stand here and bask in the sun in my fabulous outfit, because you know me, I make the wilderness rock. Peace out, suckers.